Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use our command. SolidWorks lecture 9 is today discuss here. SolidWorks all commands learn easily, explain all this point deeply and clearly. Today discuss here our command in SolidWorks. So let's see what are the arc command and how to easily use in SolidWorks. At first open SolidWorks software, then this is a SolidWorks software, and then new, and this part click here. This is our interface. Select. At first select a plane before drawing. Plane is front plane, top plane, right plane. Any plane choose here, and one plane select here. Plane is front plane. Today discuss here arc command. And this is a arc. Arc means center point arc, tangent arc, 3-point arc. 3 type of arc discuss here. Today 3 type of arc discuss here one by one. At first center point arc. This is a center point arc, this point and select, and this is a this is a center point arc. Again select, this is a and center point is click here. This is a center point arc. Next is a tangent arc. Tangent means 2 line, this point and this point is this point and this point is this is a tangent arc. And last point is a 3-point arc, means first point, second point and third point is a 3-point arc. First point, second point and third point is a any relation is defined. First control, click control this. Tangent, also see here tangent, coradial, concentric, equal, fix. So click here tangent. This point and this point is a tangent. This first control, second, right, this is a tangent. Mention dimension, smart dimension. This point is a 30. This point is a 20, 25. This dimension is 40. And arc is all 3 point is defined here. Next lecture 10 coming soon. Guys, don't forget subscribe, like, share this channel. Guys, thank you.